Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to download any video from YouTube with VLC player. Let's get started. Okay, first you need open Google Chrome and then just open YouTube and then find which video you want to download. Play that video on and then double click in address bar and select all address of the video and copy, and then you go, so open your VLC player and then click media, then click network stream and then paste link in the network tab where is say network protocol. Please enter your network URL. So just paste here and then play, and then shortly it will be start playing. So then you can go tool and then select media information, then in journal tab in the bottom there is close button. Top of that is one special address for the video. Copy that one and then you go in Google Chrome, open new tab and paste that copy link and press enter or paste go. Then this video will be play. From there you right click on video and save as video. Then it will ask you where you want to save it, so just select desktop and you can put video name and then click save, and then this video will be saved on your desktop in a few minutes. So this is how you can download video from YouTube with VLC player. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. See you next time.